Missy the Bobcat. Bobcats are solitary hunters with incredible vision that allows them to focus on swiftly running prey and hunt very well at night. Once found throughout the United States, today their range is limited. Aside from humans, the only natural predator of the bobcat is the cougar. Missy is one of the oldest mammals at the WNC Nature Center. She was born in 2001 at the Boise Zoo in Idaho and came to the Nature Center before her first birthday. Because she was born in a zoo setting, she never learned survival skills, does not fear humans, and would not survive in the wild. Missy's age does not prevent her from climbing or hunting. Our animal staff will often find small animals that wandered into her habitat at the wrong time and became a treat for her. She also loves her hammock and can be found hanging out there quite frequently.